Okay, the first thing which came to my mind when I think about my stay here at the university is the Campus 4. This is a very beautiful place, and I can imagine that I would live there for the rest of my life. The second thing are researchers. I met here very experienced researchers, and the communication with them is very good, and we already started a cooperation, and I hope we will continue and publish some research articles together. And the third thing is something related to my personal growth. Here at the university, I had the possibility to teach hundreds of students in one class, and this is something I have never experienced before, and it helps me to grow as a person as well as the teacher.